With me? About the new bird feeder? Really? It took a beating over the winter. I had to put a new one up. Don't you want your friends to eat? They gotta eat. You eat every day. Really? You can't pout about this. All it is some wild bird food. You get the fancy stuff. You can watch them through the window. I'll bring you back. Even the birds like, what's wrong with you? Yeah. Really? It's okay. You think we shouldn't feed the cat either? Really? What are you doing? You got them all going. Why are you getting everybody going? Huh? Really? You're so crazy. They all have to eat. Everybody eats. You know what I mean? Yes. They all eat. You eat. You get gourmet meals.